Lesson number 4 Advanced English Conversation Course. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe and share this video. Answer these questions. When you were a child, did you live in a house or an apartment? How long did you live in one residence? What did you like about it? What did you dislike? With whom did you live as a child? Which was your favorite room? Why? Which room was the heart of your childhood home? Have you ever felt homesick? What did you miss the most? What is your favorite childhood memory at home? Is your old neighborhood the same today as it was when you were a child? Would you like to live there now? Why or why not? Would you rather live in an apartment or a house? Why? Would you rather live in a city, a suburb, a small town, or the country? Why? Can you suggest some places to find interior design ideas? What would your dream residence be like? Can you describe it in detail? What modern appliances would your dream house have? What makes a house or an apartment a home? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.